Today we're gonna make this one pan, creamy spinach tomato pasta, all in one dish. To get started on making this dish, we're gonna start with our one pan, nice and hot. And we're gonna heat up some olive oil. We're gonna add in our onion, our garlic, and our tomatoes. Cook this. Next, we're gonna add in some crushed tomatoes, a little salt and pepper, red pepper flakes if you like it a little spicy. Stir that. Make our sauce. We're gonna add chicken broth and heavy cream. We're gonna let this simmer before we add in our pasta. Now that our sauce is nice and hot, we're gonna add in our pasta. We'll add our pasta rolls here. This is literally so much easier because we're doing everything in one pan. So much more, such a better way of cleaning up. So now we're gonna let the pasta cook and soak up all our sauce. So I had this covered. Look at this. It's soaked up all of the sauce. Pasta's cooked. Looks delicious. And now I'm gonna stir in this fresh baby spinach. Just gonna stir this in until our spinach is cooked. Just cooking pretty quick. Look at that. This is an awesome dinner idea. Under 30 minutes, you're gonna have a full dish cooked. All you have to do is serve this right in the pan that you're cooking it in. It's all ready. Goodness, looks amazing. Okay, so our spinach is cooked. We're just gonna garnish it with a little grated Parmesan cheese and some fresh basil. Look at that. This is ready. This was such an easy recipe, and look at this, one pan, everything's ready. It smells amazing, it looks amazing. I can't wait to dig in. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.